I am leaving a casting director workshop. I don't do too many of them, mainly because of my schedule, and I audition a lot, so I'm not. Well, I'm lucky. I audition a lot. So I went on one today, and there was something I noticed. I was trying to put my finger on it about the difference between, for me, a casting director workshop and an audition. With an audition, I feel free. I feel I'm going to help them solve their problem. I've already done all the work, and it's a one shot, in and out. Maybe we'll have a redirect, and there'll be some real feedback as far as the redirect goes. Or not, but still, it's like you're in the room, it's all exciting, and there's more possibility. I don't know. When I got into the workshop, I realized I was feeling a tightness. Like, oh, I feel like I'm being tested. Now, some auditions you may feel like that, but this in particular, I felt like I was being tested because they weren't auditioning you for anything. There was nothing that they needed from you in the workshop. So since the whole legal stuff went down, I think they're more under pressure to, what's the word, give a legit class. So they're looking. How can I give this actor something, anything? Fortunately, I was in a group with some really good actors, and I love that. I love my game being raised. What is that? My game? What? Up leveling. So I just thought that was really curious. In an audition, I feel free because I know there's hope, and the casting director wants me to do good, whereas in the CD workshop, I feel like I'm being tested and that the CD is under pressure to give me a critique, even though I may or may not need it. We always could use a little something. But that's my take. And I also, this particular workshop is one of 2 parts. So I will show up next week. And this time the casting director will give us scenes instead of us bringing in our own. So let's see what she gives me. And I'm looking forward to it.